Hey, what's up, everyone? Imagine this. You wake up, check your phone, and see cash rolling into your account. Money you earned while you were sleeping. No boss, no commute, just pure financial freedom. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not. Today, I'm spilling the beans on how you can make money online from today with Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0. This is the ultimate guide to building passive income in 2025, and you don't need experience, a big budget, or any fancy skills. If you're ready to change your life, stick with me. And hey, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss more money making tips like this. Let me paint a picture. 2 years ago, I was broke. Dead broke. I was juggling a soul sucking job, drowning in bills, and wondering if I'd ever escape the grind. I tried every side hustle out there, driving for apps, filling out endless surveys, even selling stuff I loved just to make rent. Nothing worked. The internet was full of get rich quick promises, but they all wanted money I didn't have or skills I couldn't learn overnight. Maybe you're feeling that right now, stuck, frustrated, wondering if financial freedom is just for other people. I've been there, and I'm here to tell you there's a way out. That's where Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 comes in. This isn't some shady scheme or complicated course. It's a step by step ebook that shows you how to make money online through affiliate marketing starting today. What's affiliate marketing? It's simple. You share products you like, think apps, courses, or even everyday stuff like gadgets. And when someone buys through your link, you get paid. No inventory, no shipping, just commissions hitting your account. The best part? You can start with $0, no experience, and still build a passive income stream. I went from broke to earning $1,000 a month in just 90 days with this system, and I'm going to show you how. Before I dive in, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon. You don't want to miss my weekly tips on affiliate marketing, passive income, and financial freedom. Now, let's break down how Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 works. This ebook is like having a mentor in your pocket, guiding you to make money online from day one. It's built for regular people like us, not tech wizards or rich investors. You don't need a fancy degree or thousands to invest. I started with nothing but a laptop and a dream, and now I'm living proof it works. Here's how you can start making money online today. First, you pick a niche, something you're into, like fitness, travel, or even gaming. Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 shows you how to find niches that pay big through affiliate programs. Next, you sign up for free platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Digistore24. The ebook lists the best ones and walks you through the process. It takes minutes. Then, you create content to share your affiliate links. Don't worry if you don't have a camera or budget. You can use AI tools like HeyGen to make pro-looking videos for YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. The blueprint gives you templates to make it stupidly easy. After that, you drive traffic to your links. Share them on social media, blogs, or forums. Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 teaches you free strategies to get thousands of clicks without spending a dime. Finally, you cash in. Every time someone buys through your link, you're pocketing $10, $50, sometimes $200 per sale. Stack those up, and you're hitting $1,000 a month faster than you think. That's the power of affiliate marketing, and this ebook makes it so simple, anyone can do it. Quick reminder, if you're loving these tips, smash that subscribe button and join our community of moneymakers. Now, let me tell you my story. 6 months ago, I was stuck in a job I hated, barely paying my bills. I found Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 and thought, what's the worst that can happen? I followed the steps, used AI to make some basic videos, and started sharing affiliate links. My first month, I made 180, not huge, but it was real money I earned from my couch. By month 3, I was at $200 more than my day job. Now, I'm building a passive income empire, working when I want, where I want. If a broke nobody like me can do it, you can too. Why is this going to blow up on social media? Because Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 is the real deal. It's not just another make money online gimmick, it's a proven system for 2025. Everyone's searching for ways to earn passive income, whether they're students, parents, or 9-5ers dreaming of freedom. This ebook shows you how, step by step, without needing cash upfront. Plus, with AI tools like HeyGen, you can create videos that look like they cost a fortune but cost you nothing. Post those on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or X, and you could have millions, maybe billions, clicking your links, funding your new life. Oh, and speaking of opportunities, here's a big one. Right now, you can grab Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 at a special discount. This ebook is packed with secrets top affiliate marketers use to make millions, and it's written for beginners. Click the link below to get instant access and start making money online today. But hurry, this deal won't last long and you don't want to miss out on financial freedom. Let's talk about why this works. Affiliate marketing is booming because it's low risk and high reward. You don't need to create products or deal with customers, just share links and watch the commissions roll in. Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 takes out the guesswork, giving you a clear path to $1,000 a month or more. Whether you want to pay off debt, travel the world, or just have extra cash, this is your ticket. And with AI making content creation easier than ever, there's no excuse not to start today. One more time, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss my next video on crushing it with affiliate marketing. I know what it's like to feel trapped, wondering if you'll ever break free from financial stress. I was there, but Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 gave me a way out. It's not about luck or being a tech genius, it's about following a system that works. Picture this. A year from now, you're waking up to money in your account, living life on your terms. That's what this ebook can do. Don't wait another second watching others live your dream. Click the link below to grab Digital Wealth Blueprint 2.0 before the price goes up. This limited time offer is your chance to start making money online from today. No experience, no cash, no problem. Take that first step toward financial freedom. You've got this, and I'm rooting for you. Click now and let's start building your passive income empire together. 3.3s. How can Grok help?